A blinking white light on your Rogers modem, including Hitron and Ignite gateway models, typically indicates it's booting up, updating its firmware, or trying to establish a connection. This is common after a power outage, network reset, or during Rogers automatic updates. Recent updates, such as those related to the 5G Ignite rollout, have increased the frequency of these occurrences. Seeing this light doesn't always mean there's a problem. It's often a normal part of the modem's operation. However, persistent blinking for over an hour could indicate a hardware fault, signal issue, or software glitch, and require further action. If you see a blinking white light, the first step is to wait. Give your modem 10 to 30 minutes to complete its process. Avoid unplugging it during this time, as it could corrupt the firmware. If the light is still blinking after this period, reboot the modem by unplugging it for 30 to 60 seconds and then plugging it back in. This forces a fresh boot cycle. Finally, if the light persists after rebooting, set up your connections. Check coaxial cable and Ethernet connections, and use the Rogers app to run diagnostics or reconfigure your Wi-Fi settings. If all else fails, a factory reset, holding the reset button for 10 to 15 seconds, followed by reactivation via My Rogers might be necessary. Remember, Rogers support recommends these steps and a large percentage of issues are resolved this way.